permanently deleting your HubSpot account but not sure how to do it the right way? Whether you're switching platforms, cleaning up unused accounts, or just starting fresh, deleting your HubSpot account isn't as simple as pressing a button. It involves a few important steps to ensure your data is removed securely. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently close your account without leaving anything behind. Prepare before deleting. Before we jump in, there are a few things you need to do. First, make sure you back up any important data. This includes contacts, reports, or files you might need later. Once an account is deleted, HubSpot permanently removes your data and you won't be able to recover it. Also, if you have any paid subscriptions, cancel them first to avoid being billed unnecessarily. Access your HubSpot settings. Log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Account Settings. From here, go to the Account and Billing section. This is where you manage your account details. Start the deletion process. Within the Account and Billing area, look for the option that says Delete Account. HubSpot will ask you to confirm your identity, so you might need to enter your account password. In some cases, they'll send a verification email to ensure it's really you requesting the deletion. Confirm and finalize. HubSpot will warn you about what will be lost. This includes all your CRM data, workflows, templates, emails, and connected integrations. Review this carefully. If you're sure, click Permanently Delete. Once done, your account enters a short grace period, after which all data is erased permanently. Post-deletion check. After deletion, make sure you no longer have any integrations or emails linked to HubSpot. If you were using HubSpot on multiple devices, clear your login details for security purposes. And that's it! You've successfully deleted your HubSpot account permanently. Remember, this action is irreversible. So always double check your backups before you go ahead. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy HubSpot tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out.